Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of functional programming. Topic is return part of an array using the slice method. The slice method returns a copy of certain elements of an array. It can take two arguments. The first gives the index of where to begin the slice. The second is the index for where to end the slice, and it's non-inclusive. If the arguments are not provided, the default is to start at the beginning of the array through the end, which is an easy way to make a copy of entire array. The slice method does not mutate the original array but returns a new one. Here is an example. We have an array containing some element and we are using slice method on that array from index 1 to 3. So since it's non-inclusive, therefore it will only include the first and second element. Here means the element at first position and second position. 0th position is left and so is the third position. Task for this challenge: use the slice method in the slice array function to return part of the enim array given the provided begin slice and end slice in this stage. The function should return an array. We have here the array, and so we will use return here, and inside return anim dot slice, and we will start with begin slice to end slice. Looks good. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.